Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Pixar ball. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start by drawing the shape of the ball with a large circle. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the stripe. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve down and across. And the same thing on top. Now in the top section, let's draw the star. Let's start at the top and let's draw a small line down. Now let's add the first point by drawing a curve over to the left. And bring it back in. Now let's add another point going down and up in the center here. Now let's add one more, curving it over to the right side. And bring it back up. Then close off the star with a line out to the side. And that's it for this Pixar ball. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!